Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome, obviously, to another Jasmy update. Was needed. I'll just keep doing these Jasmy updates daily for at least the next week, kind of depending on how it moves. I mean, the last 24 hours have been a little bit more bearish. In the end, we got a fake out because if you look at this level, and you can more clearly see it on the 1 hour time frame. We very clearly broke above this level right here between 1.75 and ultimately 1.6 cents. Even found support at this 1.7 cents level initially, but you can very clearly see that 1.75 cents as a support almost immediately failed to hold yesterday morning. So we got some bearish momentum, and just in general, and I showed you this yesterday as well, there's positive fundamentals surrounding Japan and crypto and Japanese cryptos. Jasmy is the biggest and the most well-known Japanese crypto, but you can also see that DWF Labs, a market maker quite known for a pump here and there, let's keep it at that. You can also see that they transacted a lot of spell. But if you look at them, what you'll see is they transacted millions of dollars in Jasmy, or at least almost $1 million in Jasmy. They're still holding about $3.4 million of it right now, so they probably had something to do with this as well. I'm not telling you that they fully manipulated it. I'm just telling you that usually what happens after they pump a crypto is that we'll also see a bit of a dump. Now, I think it's too early to say, though, with Jasmy that it's all over yet. Even though we had a fake out, and even though, which I'll show you right now, we are losing quite a lot of momentum, because that is the case. All right, Jasmy right now, if I can type, Jasmy right now, if you look at the open interest, so the total dollars in open positions, it has dropped down by about $40 million. All right, so $40 million in open positions have been closed. That's not bullish. All right, that means that big holders and big traders are getting out, which is never great. But I think if you look at the technicals, there is still potential. I mean, the main support level right now is around 1.4. You could say that it's the entire level between 1.4 and 1.5 cents that's holding us up as support. That's true, but I think 1.4 is the ultimate support that needs to hold. And then our main resistance level is again that resistance level, I would say, between 1.75 and 1.6 cents. But it's mainly 1.7 and 1.6 that we need to break if we want to rally up higher. And that is a possibility. I've seen it before. I think that if we have to talk about the most likely scenario, then I would say that I would not expect another rally from Jasmy now. Later, yes, but not now. I think now it's more likely. The market circumstances are also not ideal. The total 3 is dropping down quite a bit here. I think it's more likely to expect this due to this in combination with a dropping momentum. I think it's most likely to expect that Jasmy will slowly drop back down towards 1.4, where we, by the way, also grabbed liquidity yesterday afternoon, and that will have a bearish breakout there to drop down to this major support level between 1.1 and 1.2. And from there, I expect support and a potential rally. Not guaranteed. It's also possible that we barely get any support and that we drop down all the way to 0.9 cents. But that's something we'll see then. Like I said, I'll keep you updated. But I think this is most likely, but ultimately right now we're just waiting for a breakout. All right. So like I said, the main level is this. I think it's most likely we break down below 1.5 and 1.4 cents, and that will fall down lower and reset a little bit. But if Jasmy for some reason today is able to break above 1.7 cents, then we're still fine, and we can still get up to 2 and 2.15 cents. All right. So yeah, those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. Now, if I missed anything, if you want to know anything I have not talked about, then let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, have a great weekend in advance. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.